that's certainly what we're seeing in Lucid, up almost 40% for some of the catalysts, the reasons that you said. To see the at-the-money vol up 50 points and to see the Skew, basically the kinking to the upside. Okay, so you now have a case where the call vol is well above the put vol. We call that an inverted call Skew, and it suggests that the investors are much more focused on an upside move than a downside move. And I actually have a query that I've run periodically since the meme stock days that basically just looks at the percentage of single stock names out there that show this higher call skew than put skew, because it is unusual. Usually people are worried about a stock crashing, not crashing up. And during the meme stock era, it was as high as 30 or 40% of the stocks had this very super demand for calls. And then the long-term average is close to 7%. So I'm going to refresh that today. I'll tweet it out from the option alert handle, just showing how things stack up right now. But to see Lucid up 40% and the busiest day since the meme stock days, there's no ginormous trade that jumps out at me. There are some spreads, as you said, a lot of stuff going on in the 1.5 and 2 strike, which Alex would laugh about, but just very heavy volume. At the beginning, I mentioned it feels like a very, very aggressive risk on type of moment, right? There doesn't seem to be a lot of fear, even though we saw what could happen if Trump does try to fire Powell. But in the meantime, the market just trudging higher. And then you have some of these little speculative names making big moves, and Lucid is one of them.